All right, so this is in response to my YouTube video I posted about the Logitech MX Master 3 having a loud scroll wheel. This one right here is the one that I purchased from Amazon, and this is the one that Logitech replaced it with. So this one is turned off. It's off. This one is on, but I'm going to turn it off. All right, it's off. Okay, so listen to the scroll wheel on this one. It's not that loud. Okay, and here's the one on the one that I showed in the video that was loud. Go back to this one. Back to this one. And just for reference again, they are both turned off. They both work fine. They both work the same. Just this one has a super loud scroll wheel, and this one is much more silent. This one was like this one, but it became loud for some odd reason. This one so far has been really good. So do with that with what you will. Just a quick test. I can turn them on, but I can tell you right now, it's not going to make any difference. This one will be loud regardless of it being on, and with the software we're running, it's not going to make any difference.